I have a question for you. Do you have an internet connection and a laptop? Well, you could be making extra $1,500 or more every single month in passive income. Hi, my name is Anurag and I'm an online entrepreneur. I have been doing affiliate marketing for quite some time and I have been promoting Builderall, but it was kinda tricky before. But recently, my friend Liam James K came out with an insanely amazing system called $1,000,000 Passive Income Challenge. Now, what it basically is, it is a system and a challenge combined into one. In this system, my friend Liam James he explains how you can go from making $0 to making above $1,500 in as soon as 30 days or less. Well, people who are in this challenge and are the members of our group which we have created for the members of this challenge have already seen results as soon as in a week. Now, from result I mean making at least like $200. Now, if your target is to make just like $50 or $100, you can start seeing results as soon as tomorrow. Well, all you have to do is just click on the link in my description, the first link, and it will take you directly to the challenge. The best part is it is completely free. Just think about it. It's completely free and it will teach you how to make money. There are lots and lots of courses online who will so-called teach you how to make real money online, but a lot of them are scam. Most of them are scam actually. They do not work. They just teach just like overview of how to make money and they don't help you. Now this is different. This is a complete done for you step-by-step process on how you can make money with the help of affiliate marketing. Now here Liam shows you how you can promote Builderall to make real money online. I have been promoting it, others have been promoting it, Liam himself promotes it. He is one of the top affiliates for Builderall. So there is actual income in this system. It is not a scam. And if you guys have any doubts, just check it out by yourself. It's completely free. You don't have to like purchase a $100 membership to get into the system. If you're still not convinced, let me show you real screenshots from real people of the group which we have created about about this make $1,000,000 passive income challenge. Now in the screen you should be seeing some screenshots right now of the real people who have gone through the challenge, started making money and are really happy right now. Now I'm not trying to sell you anything, I just wanted to share this because as I have started my journey to make $1,000,000 online recently in this YouTube channel, I just wanted to provide some value to the people. And like a few days ago itself I came through this challenge and I really liked it. So that is why I'm sharing it with you guys. You guys can also start making money. Just click on the link below in the description and just go through it. Have a look. If you like it, go through it. I would really like suggest you to go through it if you are getting into make money online niche. And it is not having like you don't have to invest a lot of money up front or anything like that. You can get results with just free traffic. You don't even have to invest on paid traffic. Just think about it. Everything is in your favor. The only thing you'll have to do right now is take massive action. You'll have to take action and do what Liam says in the video series inside this system, which is completely free again. You'll just have to follow those step-by-step videos and just implement what he says. Now taking action is already half of the battle won. So take action right now, go through the challenge, click the link below, and I'll see you guys later. Again, like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video if you found it helpful with someone who might find it helpful too. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.